This is Dan with Hydro-Chem Systems. This is one of our eco-friendly trash bin cleaning systems. They actually do wheelie bins, and we also have a trash bin cleaning series. We have this with a dual bin lifter that lifts 2 cans at the same time. This system will clean anywhere from a 32 gallon or 30 gallon up to 96 gallon wheelie bins. Automatic hydraulic lift will lift both bins at the same time. You can actually clean 2 bins at the same time or 1 at a time, depending on, if you got 1 or 2 cans at the site, or if you're doing a startup can. These have proprietary high impact, high volume nozzles on this. It's actually a 5 nozzle system here on each spray head. Also, we have a different type of mounting system, allows the actual can to run in deeper and come back out, so you can actually run it up and down through there while cleaning. Like I said, all hydraulic configuration. When it comes to the lift mechanism, you actually have an extra hose reel and gun on the right side, so you actually clean the exterior can while still over the wastewater hopper. We actually have easy clean out filtration systems that allow us to actually literally walk up to that hopper, grab it, dump a whole filter full of waste, and be able to put that into another separate bag or can. That way it doesn't clog up your system. We don't use an AC filter, which we have other the one competing with us that does that. And I don't know if you ever cleaned your AC filter at home with a garden hose, but try to do it when you're putting hundreds of pounds of garbage through it a day, potentially. On top of that, you end up having industrial hydraulic systems. These are all units that are designed for the waste industry. We have vacuum recovery, wastewater recovery system that, once again, is an 8-stage wastewater filtration system. Custom color, this is actually waste management green, so we can customize and privatize for different clients. It has the top of the line 31 horsepower, 3,500 PSI, and 9-gallon minute hot water pressure washer on there with a 2,900 watt onboard generator. That powers the electricity for the 120 volt burner system, which is the best money you can buy when it comes to that. It's an all stainless steel burner housing. It's stainless steel shielding inside. Double insulated heating blankets around the heating coil. This is the most fuel efficient hot water machine I've ever sold in 25 years. This only burns a little over a gallon of diesel an hour. In comparison to 3.5 to 4.5 gallons an hour is standard. At $3.50 to $4 a gallon for diesel fuel, you're talking about saving up to $12 an hour just in diesel fuel. Think about that, $12 an hour over a 40-hour week and a month. I mean, it pretty much can save you, thousands of dollars per year on that alone. It also has a belt-driven industrial grade pump with a 5-year warranty. The engine has a 3-year warranty. The heating coil has a lifetime warranty on the heating coil. One of the only ones in the industry, period, that have that. Stainless steel frame. Go ahead. And like I said, the 8-stage wastewater filtration system had multiple 1,000 micron filters, and it goes into this cone-shaped tank here. That actually has another filter system that separates solid. Got a separate drain for all the heavy solids to get into that system. From that tank, it goes into a 50 micron high capacity string filter, 20 micron filter, and then into a 5 micron filter back into the waste tank. So you're actually breaking it down to 5 micron or less, which typically in most cases is gray water. You have the dual tanks, 270 gallon tank each, so this is your primary supply tank for the bypass back to tank to keep the pump protected from overheating. Like I said, an extensive filtration system, separate tanks, which is critical because now you got a 270 gallon waste tank that can handle all your wastewater alone on that, and you don't have to recycle the water. We normally don't recommend that for wheelie bin cleaning, but this system is a dual role system. You can actually do commercial fleet wash, like if you want to wash your refuse, your garbage trucks, your truck fleets, etc. You can also do commercial pressure cleaning, the dumpster and compactor areas and the dumpster themselves. And this actually allows you to vacuum wastewater up from up to 100 feet away from the system and still go through the filtration process. high capacity fuel tanks in order to be able to run extensive amount of hours without having to worry about refueling normally all day long. It had a lot of redundant safety devices throughout the system. Steam burst relief valves, 2 high pressure relief valves for the pressure side. Flow control, so no flow going through the heater, no heat, so it protects the pump or the system from overheating and it prevents steam explosion. You also have a pressure switch here, a 1/2 inch high volume unloader instead of a little 3/8 inch. This is a high capacity machine. You also have high pressure soap injection on here. Pressure gauge, hour meter to track your time and hours and do your maintenance. The all stainless steel frame, lifetime warranty. The 31 horsepower engine with a 3-year warranty on it. Electric start engine. Easy clean and easy maintenance filtration system. 100-gallon hopper on this. We also make a truck mount model with a 200-gallon tank on that. Or we have very different custom variations of the custom colors available for your company. Even the trailers could be custom colored. We have double doors on each side available. Side here, signage panels. We actually work with a sign company right across the street here. We do marketing and marketing packages, etc. And we're able to lift 2 bins at the same time. So these handle all the commercial wheelie bin systems. And this has adjustable speed control on the hopper itself, on the lifter mechanism itself. Plus we have the dual bin grabber style. So basically no lifting on your end. And then we have the control valve. This is for your high pressure hose wheel. We also have the high volume downstream soap injector for putting soap in here or commercial cleaning. You can add soap through this reel. This is your driver's side wheelie bin valve, passenger side wheelie bin valve. This hose is unique because it allows you to release the pressure under the tank. You start the engine, you don't have to hold the gun or release it anywhere else or up in the hopper. So it's controlled, no overspray. You got the hydraulic lift mechanism here for hydraulic up and down. We have multiple styles of that. We have a new universal grabber style that actually grabs any can. You have to lift and clean that. That's our new generation coming out. We actually are building that now. Stay in touch and watch the videos because that's going to be coming online shortly on our website. Once again, and up here we actually have the ability to adjust the control speed up and down, so this can actually go up much quicker. We kind of keep it at a moderate pace while if it's a new customer, and you'll be able to run and operate that. 10,000-pound trailer. You can see super heavy duty 4-inch by 6-inch box tubing, 2 by 2-inch box tubing frame to secure the system. This is about signage area. The double doors. We actually have a hose roll package available over here. Let me switch the camera. We actually have a upgrade available that is actually double doors, with French door style, well, the water mesh available on that mesh here, or you can put sign panels here, on both sides of the trailer. And then our truck mount units you can also see on our website or our YouTube channel. Got a pressure gauge to monitor what you're doing on the hopper, and one on the pressure washer so you can see everything from A to Z on that. For more information, contact Dan Swede at Hydro-Chem Systems, 1-800-666-1992. That's 1-800-666-1992. Email is sales@hcsclean.com. That's sales@hcsclean.com. And our brand new revised website is going to be up online next week, so to check that out also, it's www.hcsclean.com. Thank you for your time. Give us a call.